This incredible raw wood slab has absolutely massive potential today. Pulling this heavy beast down takes some serious muscle. Let us get this beautiful piece right onto the workbench. First, we need to attach the brush to our router. Setting up the sled track ensures a perfectly flat cut. Watch the router shave away the rough top layer easily. The spinning bit reveals the stunning grain hiding right underneath. Guiding the sled takes patience, but the results are amazing. Sawdust builds up quickly as we flatten these wild curves. Adjusting the depth dial helps us get a deeper cut. Flattening the entire slab really brings the shape to life. Now, let us take this massive slab outside for sunlight. Grabbing the angle grinder to clean up these rough edges. Flying wood chips show the grinder doing its heavy work. Carving deep into crevices exposes fresh, beautiful, and raw timber. Switching to the wire brush helps clean out these holes.
The spinning brush scrubs away years of dirt and bark.
Meticulously cleaning every small cavity makes a huge difference here. Using a rotary tool helps carve out the tiny pockets. Time to smooth the entire surface with our orbital sander. Blowing away the dust reveals a perfectly clean, sanded grain. Applying a white sealant prevents pesky resin bubbles from forming. Spreading the thick sealant over porous edges is super important. Placing the slab carefully onto the white melamine baseboard. Tracing a custom organic outline right onto the whiteboard. Using a jigsaw to cut along the pencil outline perfectly. Carving a smooth, curved edge out of the thick baseboard. Applying thick, clear silicone secures our custom mold wall entirely. Wrapping flexible plastic creates the perfect vertical resin mold wall. Fastening metal screws holds the plastic wall firmly in place. Smoothing the silicone sealant inside guarantees a watertight plastic mold. Mixing up a small batch of clear liquid epoxy resin. Coating the bottom edges with epoxy seals the wood grain. Clear epoxy makes the natural brown tones pop so vibrantly. Pressing the wood slab firmly down into our custom mold. Pouring a massive batch of crystal clear epoxy right here. Squeezing vibrant blue and black dye into the clear resin. Mixing shimmering metallic mica powders creates a swirling galaxy effect. Blending the vivid pigment creates absolutely mesmerizing liquid swirls today. Pouring a beautiful stream of pale purple metallic resin next. This deep oceanic blue resin winds beautifully around the curves. Dark pitch black metallic resin creates an incredible visual contrast. Swirling the colored resins together creates a stunning cosmic pattern. The vibrant metallic resin looks amazing against the raw edges. Sweeping a blowtorch flame pops all the trapped air bubbles. Heat from the torch forms intricate cellular patterns like magic. Opening a container filled with beautiful, vibrant dried floral pieces. Hot gluing a small green fern to delicate white flowers. Adding a drop of glue prepares this vivid pink rose. Constructing small, beautiful floral bouquets requires a really gentle touch. Placing a bright yellow sunflower on the blue resin. Nestling this pink rose perfectly into the narrow gap. We are filling this deep river with vibrant flowers. Trimming these delicate yellow pieces to fit right inside. These bright miniature flowers look stunning on the blue. The entire resin river is now a lush garden. Pouring clear resin over petals stops pesky air bubbles. Crystal clear resin gently drips off the yellow petals. Activating the vacuum pump pulls out trapped air completely. Thousands of tiny bubbles rise and burst instantly here. Lifting this heavy bucket of pure clear epoxy resin. A thick glassy stream begins to submerge the flowers. Watch the resin rise perfectly around the pink rose. Pouring right to the brim buries the wood completely. Sweeping the blowtorch creates a flawless, completely clear top. Vivid flowers are suspended beautifully in the thick liquid. Removing these metal screws frees our clear plastic mold. Peeling the plastic reveals the solid, cloudy resin edge. Carefully breaking the table free from the melamine base. Flipping this heavy table shows the rough frosted bottom. Running the spinning bit levels the cured resin perfectly. Shards of cloudy white resin spray rapidly right now, creating a nice smooth curved edge around the perimeter. Meticulously smoothing the outer edge with an angle grinder. Fine white resin dust coats everything as we sand. Starting the arduous process of sanding the flat tabletop. The clear epoxy river turns into an opaque surface. Adding a little water helps us wet sand perfectly. A milky slurry forms as the wet pad polishes. Wiping away the slurry briefly reveals the vibrant flowers. Moving up through higher grits makes it remarkably smooth. Dipping a white foam sponge into golden finishing oil. Rubbing the oil transforms dull wood into glowing brown. Massaging oil into the intricate wooden rings looks incredible. Buffing off the excess oil leaves a satin finish. Squeezing white polishing compound over the frosted resin sections. Using a heavy rotary polisher to buff the compound. The opaque resin magically transforms into crystal clear glass. The spinning pad instantly unveils vibrant flowers hidden inside. Polishing the curved outer edges makes them entirely clear. Wiping away paste reveals an absolutely flawless gloss shine. Placing the finished tabletop carefully onto its massive base. Vibrant flowers remain suspended forever inside the glass-like resin. The polished resin transitions deeply into a shimmering base. Looking through the side shows the incredible floral depth. Rich natural wood perfectly frames this beautiful botanical river. Running a bare hand over this completely flawless masterpiece. Warm gallery lights reflect brilliantly off the glossy surface. This stunning floral river table makes the perfect centerpiece.